Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So pre-ordering lets you secure upcoming movies or shows before release. So they are automatically added to your library as soon as they become available, okay? So first thing first, open Prime Video like launchprimevideo.com, or you can use it or open it from your devices, mobile. Like if you are using Android or iOS, you can open the application from there. So make sure you are signed in. You can pre-order via application, website, or television like TV. So find an upcoming title, like search for a movie or show not yet released, okay? Open a details page, look for availability info, select pre-order, okay? Click pre-order or view the listed price, similar to buying in advance, okay? Confirm payment, choose your payments method, confirm the pre-order. You may be charged later, like usually at release. Wait for release. On release date, title is added to your library automatically. You can start watching immediately in that time, okay? So no extra steps needed, okay? What happens after pre-ordering? Title appears in your library when released. Payment is processed automatically. You get instant access upon availability, okay? So there are also some common issues that may across you, like title not available. So pre-orders depends on region, okay? Release delayed, like dates can change. Payment failed, like updates your payments method, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.